Today I will show you the install operation of DD10 and 18 series. Firstly, let's come to know our accessories. You can see two mounting brackets, a fixed screw, and drive pipes. And firstly, let's choose a pair of drive pipes. And now let's fix it into the headrest pole. And you can see I have taken down one from it. Next, choose one mounting bracket according to the distance of the headrest pole, and I prefer to choose this one according to the fit. And then let's fix the mounting brackets into the drive pipes, just like this. Be sure that this pole to yourself, and fix the player into the mounting bracket. Lastly, fix the screw into the player. So easy, you can see, and it's done. Now you can use it. And then let's plug in the cigarette lighter power like this. And you can see we have moved our headrest seat into our office in order to provide you with a better visual sense and spare no efforts, so to speak. And thank you for your time.